Hello everyone, if you're facing this error in Roblox, teleport failed, server is full with the error code 772, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error. So first of all, this error happens when you try to join any server that is full and does not have any slots open for you to join. The only thing you can do is you can either wait for the server to get an empty slot so someone leaves and you can join the server, or you can just join another server and play that server. So I'll advise you to just play any other server until the slot empties on that server, and that should do it. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. You just need to play on any other server or just wait for the server to get an empty slot. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.